So based on the inputs that are given in the question, we are going to today construct a letter. So here, as we know, we write the sender's address at the beginning. Look at the question. BK Brothers, Bypass Road, Mumbai. That is the sender's address. So we write the sender's address at the beginning. Then we write the date. And after the date, you write the recipient's address. Here it's given Paloma Enterprise. So we have written here Paloma Enterprise. And because it isn't mentioned to whom, like the designation isn't specified as to whom the letter should be written, so we have written the manager, Paloma Enterprise. And later we have the subject, and in the subject, placing order. Now what it is about? Placing order of various items of furniture. So here, placing order, we'll write, just remove this and write here placing order of furniture. And then what we are going to do is see. The question is write a letter of order to Paloma Enterprise. You need various items of furniture for your new head office. This is the input that is given that we need to understand. So what we'll do is, we'll go back and we'll see what were the points that we discussed in the previous video for the opening paragraph. So here we'll see what we can do. So out of these, we'll pick up any one point. Yeah. So I'm writing this letter to place an order for. So I'll pick up this line. You can pick up any line, any sentence which you feel is suitable for your letter. So here we'll pick up this line, we'll copy it down and we'll just put it here. Yeah. Order for. Look at the question. So let's have a look at the question, what it is. You need various items of furniture for your new head office. Order for furniture. Furniture for our new head office. Okay, so this is what we have to just pick it up. And see, what I have done is nothing I have written it on my own. I have just picked the point from the first paragraph, added the inputs from the question and framed the first line. Okay, we have written a statement to start with a first paragraph, and below it only, here I don't have sufficient space, so I have written it here, but below it only you need to construct a table here. In the table you're going to write the name of the product, whether it's table, chairs, okay, desk, benches and so on, and the quantity 30, 40, whatever it is, you're going to write it here. After that, you need to again go and pick up another sentence which you feel would be suitable for the question here. So we attach here with, so look here, the statement, the starting line you have started with I. So though if you're using we, you need to change that pronoun here. We attach here with a draft of 50% advance payment. The balance payment will be made on delivery. So this is the point that I'm going to pick up and write there. So here is the point. Copy it, write it. Yep. Paste it here. I just change it to I attach here with a draft of 50% advance payment. The balance will be made on delivery. Either you can also use we. if you're writing on behalf of the company. So after that, after this, you can again go back to the points that we have discussed and pick up any point. Now see, the intention of the video is to simplify your learning process, and keeping in mind the thought that you're going to appear for exam, I insist you to just memorize these items. But if you feel you have better sentences than these, please go ahead and use them. Now here see, the above mentioned items must reach us in proper condition and order not later than 25th May 2020. So here, pick up this line, copy it down, and add in here as your next line. Yep. The above mentioned items must reach us in proper condition and order not later than 25th May 2020. Or फिर you can go and pick up any point to specify other things, like any damage to these items during the delivery will be the responsibility of the supplier. So even your condition or any other specific thing that you feel better, you can pick up and then you can add to your letter. Yeah, see, you can end it by just adding a specific and then even if you feel like adding some more points, you can add in those. So look here, have a look now. How would your letter look if you go prepared? See, I'm writing this letter to place an order for the furniture for our new head office, and below that you construct a table here, and then you have this paragraph I attach here with a draft of 50% advance payment. The balance payment will be made on delivery. The above mentioned items must reach us in proper condition and order not later than any damage to these items during the delivery will be the responsibility of the supplier, right? So here you end by thanking you and sincerely yours. So this is how you can construct the letter. If you really go through the previous video, study the points, it will be really easy if you are preparing for your exams. But feel free to use in your own ideas, and if you're using your own ideas, and also I insist you to prepare well before, because during your exam you have to manage a lot of time. Alright? So this is all about the video. Thank you. If you like my video, do like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel Learn with Afreen. Thank you.